middle man. MS Dhoni. That's a long part of this time. Look at the power. Heaved into the late side. Fielders converge. All the way. Yes! The ground. I tell you what, he doesn't cheat himself when he has a swing. So no wonder he's got a crook back. That's a big hit. Goodness me, he smashed that. You would not believe that he's facing his third ball and his team were 44 for 4 if you looked at that shot. What a shot. 50 up, nothing to lose. This is an ideal situation for Dhoni. Nothing to lose, full license to go and play. Up in the air it goes, away over extra cover, and it goes all the way. What a way to bring up the 100. Pulled away and it's gone into the crowd. What a massive blow. That's an incredible stroke from Dhoni. As I said, fasten your seatbelts because this man, he really does hit it well. And that hasn't got up high enough. I think he was sort of anticipating that it was... Oh, he's launched himself into that and it's going all the way. That is massive. What a way to go to your 50. It's been a splendid effort from Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Well, we thought Kemp had hit it big, but this is even bigger. He launches himself, and you said it was a calculated risk, and it sure is. Boy, oh boy, he just teed off on that one, over the stand. Monster.